Taken the screenshot, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Leave some space to write that in the notes. Leave some space to write in the notes. Okay. Hello.
Sir.
Okay. So let me take third problem. All of you, note down this problem. How many elements it become here? How many elements?
3.
3. How many bars are there?
4, sir.
4 bars.
4 bar means
4 bar.
how many nodes it become here?
8, sir.
No. See the connectivity. Year 1, year 2, year 3, 4. Therefore, 4
4.
nodes. 4 node means how many degree
4,
of freedom?
4.
How many degree of freedom?
8, sir.
Huh? How many degree of freedom?
8, sir.
8.
8.
Then the matrix size become how much?
8 into 8.
Keep this in mind. It become 8 cross 8 matrix. You better copy this figure. Why? Because I told you to copy this, no? So I think in that problem directly in that figure directly they given the this one coordinate, but here actually the examination problem they given like this. They are not given the coordinate. They given the distance here, origin distance 40 mm, 30 mm, here 20 kilonewton, 25 kilonewton. What type of support this one? What type of support this one?
Roller.
Roller support. These two are fixed support. Keep this in mind. Now supports also changes. Therefore boundary condition also changes. Reactions also changes. Correct, no? Area of the each element given as 100 mm square. That means A1, A2, A3, A4 are same. E also same. 2 into 10 raised to 5. And here one more load is applied here horizontally 20. Here 25 vertical. Figure is over. Hello. All of you copied the figure.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Solution. First step.
Yes, sir.
First step is what? First step is what?
FER mod.
Your model. So how many elements? How many elements? How many elements? How many elements, ba?
4, sir.
4. 4 element. Node numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 nodes. So therefore, here 0, comma origin x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x4, y4. What is the origin at node 1 at origin only? Therefore 0, 0. At node 2, what is the x2 value? What is the x2 value become? At node 2, what is the x2 value become? Hello? At node 2, what is the x2 value become?
40, sir. 40.
40. And what is the y2 become?
0.
Because it's at the datum only. Similarly, come here. x3 is how much? What is the x3 distance?
40.
What is the height?
30.
30. 40, comma 30. Similarly, x4. It is at the datum. Therefore, x4 is how much? x4 is 0. y4 how much? What is the height? What is the height from the origin? X node 4.
30.
30. So corresponding nodal displacements are q1, q2, q3, q4 up to q8. Similarly, f1, f2, f3, f4 up to f8. So write down properly everything. All of you following problem, understanding the problem. Sheikh Basha.
Yes, sir.
Girish, Shekhar, Ramchandra,
Yes, sir.
are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
I also will write f1, f2, f3, f4, f5 value. See, f1 is how much? Any force at node 1 is given in the figure.
0.
0, sir.
Here, no forces. f1, f2 is no forces they given. Therefore, you have to write here f1 is 0 equal to 0. Here itself you write if you want. f2 also 0. What is f3 given? Any horizontal?
10
Huh?
20 kilonewton.
Plus or minus?
Plus.
Plus. Why? Because along the x direction, what are the forces acting? Plus. Reverse is minus. f4 is given. Here, any f4 force?
No, sir.
0. Similarly, f5 how much?
0.
0.
f6 how much?
Minus
Minus 25.
f7 how much? f7 how much? Any force?
0.
Wait also. 0. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, next step is what? Next step is what? I think next step and all you can
Data.
do it now.
Okay.
Node data. You can do it now. So node numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. X1, Y1, 0, 0. X2, Y2, 40, comma 0. X3, Y3, 40, comma 30. X4, Y4, 0, comma 30. You can write it. Anything you are not understanding, here itself let me know. All others understanding. All others understanding or not. What is the next step? What is the next step?
Element connectivity table, sir.
One by one, let me know. For element 1, what is the initial node? For element 1, what is the initial node? Hello?
1, sir.
Sure.
Huh?
One,
Element
sir. One.
1. Final node? Final node how much? 2. For element 2?
Two, sir.
For element 2, what is the initial node?
Three.
Initial node.
Two, sir.
Final node?
3.
For element 3? Element 3, what is the initial node?
3.
Yes.
Three, sir.
Good. Not 1. 3. Final node?
Four.
4.
Element 3. Where is element 3? Here. See that element 3 connectivity points are what? 3 and 1. Therefore,
3 and
initial
1.
node is 3. What is the final node?
1, sir. 1, sir.
Keep this in mind. Similarly, element 4, what is the initial node?
Three.
3.
Three. Yes, sir.
Suppose if you mark this is 3 means definitely 3 is the initial node and 4 is the final node for that. But here we are taken 3 is here. Everyone take in the same way because we are following uniformly. Don't take 3 here. 3 here you take it. Fourth element you take it here only. Okay. Understand? Even you can take 3 here and 4th here, no problem. But let it follow now as per this only. 3 is here, 4 is here. Clear? Understand? Initial node, final node, understand? Hello?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Initial node, final node, all of you understand? Okay, let me
Yes, sir.
calculate now. What is the value of LE1? What is the value of direction of cosines? All of you. Do it. LE1 how much? Tell me.
What?
L how much? Tell me. M how much? Tell me. Ramachandra. 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 Shekhar. Shekhar.
Yes, sir.
Let me know what is LE1 value. How much LE1?
Sir, L140.
Correct. All of you got L140.
Sir.
What is
Yes,
L1
sir.
formula? X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Correct now? Plus
Yes, sir.
1. 2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 square root 40. Similarly, what is the direction of cosine? L.
L1
One.
Correct. Similarly, LE2. LE2. What is the initial node? Final node? 3.
X3 minus X.
3 minus x2 whole square plus y3 minus y2 whole square root. Do it.
That is
Correct. What is L and M?
0 and 1.
Correct. Similarly, L and 3. The final node is here. Here you should be very careful. X1 minus x3 whole square plus what?
Y1 minus Y2.
Whole square root. And check out LE3. How much?
Sir, L 50.
All of you got 50 LE3?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
L. Direction of cosines. Direction of cosines.
L is 0.8, sir.
Minus no. Minus or plus?
Plus, sir.
Yes, sir.
Minus, sir.
Minus no. Because
Minus.
x1 minus x3 means 0 minus 40. Therefore, minus 0.8. Correct no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, M. M how much? M how much? y3 minus y1 divided by, sorry, y1 minus y3 divided by 2. Sorry, divided by LE. 0 minus 30 divided by 50. How much? 30 by 50, how much?
Point.
Minus 6, no?
Yes.
Minus 0.6, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, LE4. x4 minus x3 whole square plus y4 minus y3 whole square root. How much you'll get LE4?
Forty, sir.
Correct. 40. So LE4, all of you got 40. All of you got 40.
Sir.
Yes. Similarly, direction of cosines.
L
x4,
is minus.
L is minus 1, M is 0. Please enter all the values in the tables. LE1, LE2, LE3, LE4 and corresponding direction of cosines value. Enter in the table, all of you. Do it. What is the next step?
Replacement.
Element stiffness. So how many K1, K2 will get here? Stiffness matrix. How many? How many?
4.
Yes, takes time to calculate. K1. A1 is 100. E1 L. E1 is 2 into 10 raised to 5. L1 is 40. So similarly L. L value how much? For element 1, what is the L we got? 1. M is 0. Therefore, that become very easy. Where and all M term is there, that is become 0. Where and all L tail is there, that is become 1. So you have to substitute. Then you will get A1 as like this. So I think you will get here 5 into 10 raised to 5. A1 E1 by L1. See, only in the trusses you will get the matrix size like this. In other module, other problems, you will not get the size of this. Only more maximum is 4 cross 4 only. Only in the truss only you get more. Okay. That too, I think in this problem only you get more. 8 cross 8. In others are maximum for 6 cross 4 or 4. Therefore, you will get 5 into 10 raised to 5 this one. Therefore, keep 10 power 5 outside and 5 multiply by inside. Then you will get the matrix like this. So, no element 1 belongs to what are the nodes? What are the nodes?
1 and 2.
1 and 2. Therefore, corresponding nodal displacements are what? Corresponding nodal displacements are what?
Q1, Q2.
Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Therefore, write the row number column as 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 belongs to node 1, 3, 4 belongs to node 2. All of you copy it. You can copy directly. Anyway, you know, no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
You can copy it. Once the K1 is over, let me know. Move to the next K2. All of you understood or not? Tell me by this step.
Understood, sir. Yes, sir.
K1 is over.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me go to the next turn. K2. K2 also same thing. A2, E2 by L2, LM, LM. Again, what is the L and M value? You can check out here in the table.
0, 1.
Here also 0, 1 is there. Therefore, it become very easy. Where and all M is there, that is become 0. Last row completely becomes 0. No, not become 0 and
L 0, sir.
L 0. No, okay, not M 0. Okay. So that means L, where and all L is there, that is become 0. And even LM combination also becomes. But here last combination was there. Here M square is 0. So here it becomes 0. Here ML combination L becomes 0. You'll get like this. 10 into 2 into 10 raised to 5 divided by 30, you'll get 6.6 into 10 raised to 5. Substitute 6.6 inside. Keep 10 power 5 outside. Again, note element 2 belongs to what are the nodes?
Q3, Q4, Q5.
Node 2 and 3. Therefore, corresponding displacements are 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct now? See the figure, element model figure. Isn't it? Hello?
Sir.
See, this node
Sir.
row number columns are very important because when you're adding global stiffness matrix, there will be useful. Otherwise, if you make mistakes here, again, it will problem become wrong. So therefore, keep this in mind. Vijay Kumar. Vijay Kumar. Vijay. Vijay. Vijay Kumar. Vijay Kumar. So K2 over
Yes, sir.
similarly K3. What is the L and M value? K3.
Minus 0.8 minus
Minus 0.8 and
minus point.
Minus 0.6.
yes. And Le2? Le2 how much?
L
Le2 how much? Le2 how much?
L3.
Sorry, Le3. How much?
50, sir.
50. You only do it K3. Do it yourself and let me know what is K3.
4 into 10 power 6.
Outside, what is the value?
4 into 10 power 5.
4.
Yes, sir.
Multiply LM. Substitute the LM value inside. Let me know the matrix. Do it yourself, all of you. Minus 0.8 there, minus 0.6 is there. Keep this in mind. Got it? K3?
Yes, sir.
How much? Intaj?
Yes, sir.
K3 got
Yes, sir.
any value inside the matrix. Tell me quickly. Tell me Nagin Taj. Here outside you got 4 into 10 raised to 5. Outside you got 4 into
Sir.
10 raised to 5.
Sir.
Here 100 into 2 into 10 raised to 5 by 50 you got 4 into 10 raised to 5.
Doing, sir. Yes, sir.
Check out K3, you have to get it like this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Same, sir.
See, I told you need not to calculate whole matrix. Only half you calculate. Either above the elements on the upper diagonal, below the element, below the diagonal terms. Rest of things you just as it is you write it because it's a symmetric matrix. Understood? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Therefore, finally K3 become 8, 10 power 5 into 2.56, 1.92 like this. You got all of you. All of you got like this. Check out values.
Yes, sir.
K3 belongs to what are the node numbers?
3 and 1.
Yes, 3 and 1. Therefore, what are the corresponding nodal displacements? What are the corresponding nodal displacement? At 3, what is the number? Nodal displacements.
Q5, Q6.
Q5, Q6. At node 1.
Q1, Q1, Q2.
So
Q1, Q2.
therefore, keep this in mind. Therefore, 5, 6, 1, 2, 5, 6, 1, 2, you have to write the numbers. Okay. Row number, column number, are you understood? 5, 6 belongs to node 3. That is the initial node. And final node is node 1. And corresponding numbers of displacements are Q1, Q2. Understood? Hello?
Sir.
If you make
Yes, sir.
mistakes here, now 1, 2, 5, 6, if you write it, again it become wrong. Initial node, final node. In the same way, you have to take it. Understand?
Yes, sir.
All of you clear K3? K3 is over.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, K4.
Yes, sir.
K4. So L is how much? LE3. LE4 how much?
Minus 1, 0.
LE4. Length.
40, sir.
40 minus 1 0, correct? No, therefore parent all m become 0, all term become 0, fourth row completely 0, and here it become 5 into 10 raised to 5. Therefore 5 you multiply by inside, and finally you'll get the k4 is like this. One minus plus, if you miss, no, whole problem become wrong. That's why when you're doing, should be very careful. You have to calculate in exam as well as IA as well as test. Huh? Again, node element 4 belongs to what are the nodes? What are the nodes? Hello.
The row
What are the node? It belongs to node element number 4.
3 and 4.
3 and 4. Again at node 3, what are the corresponding numbers? Nodal value numbers?
5, 6.
Q5, Q6, Q7, Q8 at node 4. Correct? No? Therefore 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6 belongs to node 3. 7, 8 belongs to node 4. This is very important. Understood? K1, K2, K3, K4, all of you? You got
Yes,
the
sir.
values? K4 is over or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall we proceed? Next step. What is the next step?
Yes, sir.
What is the next step?
Global statements.
Yes. That is K is equal to sum of K1 plus K2 plus K3 plus K4. Correct? No?
Yes, sir.
What is the size of the matrix become now?
8 into 8.
So this in page properly you have to write. Use some space when you're writing the column number, row number, properly write. If it is ruled, it's easy to write. In each line you have to write one row, or if it's unruled, write neatly. So adding is very important here now. Okay. Either you can use shortcut or what I taught you in the first beginning, like 1, 2, like that. But actually in a shortcut, if you use it, no, it makes confused now. So better you go for the as usual method. So write the first column numbers, row numbers, 1 up 1 2 3 4 8, 1 2 3 4 8. 1 2 belongs to node 1, 3 4 belongs to node 2, 5 6 belongs to node 3, 7 8 belongs to node outside 10 raised to 5. So 1 1. First matrix anyway, you write it as it is. K1 matrix you write 5 minus 1 plus 1.92 minus 5 0 1.92 1.44 0 0 minus 5 0 0 0 0 0 0 0.6. Sorry, not 0.6. Let us go for like this only. I think it makes confused. 1 1. What is 1 1 value? Stop writing. Please observe now, because this adding is very important. Okay. Let me take to the matrix. 1 1. Where is 1 1 is there? Let me start from K1 here. 1 1. What is the value here? What is the value here?
5.
5. Next, any 1 1 combination is there? K2, there is no 1 1 combination. K3, there is no 1 1 combination is there, no? Correct, no? What is the here? K3 1 1. 1 plus 1 here. What is the value here? What is the value here? Hello?
Minus 2.56.
Minus 2.56. Not minus, plus, no? Hello? Hello?
Sir.
So 5 plus 2.56. Next come 2 1. Let's come to the first matrix. 2 1. Where is 2 1? Here 0. And any other matrix you can check 2 1 combination. Here there is no 2 1 combination. Yeah, it is there here. What is the value here? What is the value here? 2 1. What is the value here? 2 1. Hello.
Sir, 1.92.
Here in K4 matrix there is no that value, so therefore only 1.92. Next come to 3 1. Yeah, 3 1 is here in first matrix, minus 5 plus any other matrix you can check 3 5, 3 1. Here there is no 3 1 combination. I think here also there is no 3 1 combination. Here also there is no 3 1, therefore only minus 5. Next 4 1. 4 1 is here 0. Any 4 1 combination here? No. Here no, and here also no, therefore only 0. Next 5 1 combination. Yes, 5 1 I think is here in K2 matrix. I K2 5 1. No 5 1 here. Yeah, 5 1 is there in the K3 matrix. What is the value here? What is the matrix value here? What is the matrix here? Minus 2.56. That's all. Yes. Next 6 1. 6 1 means I think in this matrix not there, in this matrix also not there, but 6 1 is here in K3 matrix. 6 1. What is the value here? What is the value here? What is the value here? 6 1 minus?
Minus 1.92.
Yes, that's all. 7 1. I think 7 1 there is no combination. 0. 8 1. I think 8 1 also in there is no combination. 0. So like that you have to add it in each matrix. Understood? Hello? Addition you understood, no?
Yes, sir.
Please all of you copy this global stiffness matrix. Addition of global stiffness matrix, all of you understood? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have to do it very slowly, especially in this step, because addition, no? You have to see the all the matrix terms, you have to substitute. Even shortcut way also you can use it, like first matrix you substitute, second matrix you have to substitute, third matrix, but you have to corresponding elements you have to substitute properly and you have to do it. So if you are familiar you can do it direct also. Example, right, okay, first matrix is this one, 1 2 3 4, no, first one 1 2 3 4, right? No, first matrix what is the number? 1 2 3 4, no?
Yes, sir.
Next second matrix what is the number? What is the second matrix number? Second matrix what is the number?
5678.
Second matrix, sir. K2. K2 what is the number? Hello? What is the number, pa? K2. You're not getting what I am number asking, row number, column number I'm asking. What is K2 here? 3 4 5 6, no? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
K2 is 3 4 5 6. K3 is 5 6 1 2. K4 is 5 6 7 8. Therefore, let us take first matrix. 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Next second matrix. 3 4 5 6. Where is 3 4? Yeah. You can directly substitute the K2 matrix value up to here. Sorry. up to 3 4 5 6 means up to year. And what is the third matrix number? Can you tell me? What is the third matrix number?
5,
So
6,
taken
7,
5. So taken 5 rows.
Yes, sir. You have taken 5, sir.
4 no, sir.
Huh? What is that?
So you
Sir,
taken
you have
5 rows.
taken 5 rows, sir.
Five,
K2 have only four rows.
3 4 5 6, no? Yeah, correct.
Sir, blue box, you have taken 5 rows, sir.
Yeah. I think we have to start from here. Correct, no? Correct. Now is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
What is the third matrix number? Third matrix number? Third matrix number is what? Third matrix number ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅದು? Row number
1 to 5, 6.
1 to
6.
5, 6.
1 to 5 6. Here 1 2. Where is 1 2? Here. 5 6 is here. So you have to be add it very carefully. So here 1 2. Here 1 2. 5 6. Here 1. Here 1 5 6. And one more 5 6 is here. This is the corresponding rows and column you have to add it. That is the third one matrix. What is the last matrix combination?
5, 6, 7.
5 6 7 8.
Yes, sir.
5 6 7 8 means here. So that's why I said shortcut method, it makes confusing. Means you can go for as usual method, as I told. 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1. Next 1 2 2 2 3 1 3 2 3 3 4 3 5 3. I like that. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you can just copy the K1, K2, K3, K4 as it is.
Yes, sir.
Next step is what? Equilibrium equation. KQ is equal to F. So before that, global force vector, global displacement vector. What is global force vector? F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8. Now F1 is 0, F2 is 0, F3 is 20 into 10 raised to 3, F4 0, F5 0, F6 minus 25 into 10 raised to 3, F7, F8 are 0. Correct now? Huh? Hello? Write down global force vector, all of you. I have written here. I'll show you. I'm also not writing that. So global force vectors are, you write it, this one 0 0 0 0 0 minus 25 into 10 raised to 3 plus 20 into 10 raised to 3 0 0. And global displacements are q1, q2, q3, q4, q5, q6, q7, q8. Got it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Next, equilibrium equation. KQ is equal to F. Don't show this lines. Don't strike it up. Just you write KQ is equal to F. No need to substitute. kq is equal to f, you write it. What is the next step? What is the next step?
Boundary condition.
Boundary condition. It is very important is now here. See, in this problem, write down next step, kq is equal to f, you write it. Then you write, apply the boundary condition using elimination approach. See, in this problem, there are two types of support. One is fixed support, one is roller support. Therefore, in fixed support means what are the things have become zero? What are
Q1, Q2.
Q1, Q2. Here,
Q8, Q7.
Q8, Q7. And what about here? At note 2.
Q3, Q4.
Roller support, keep this in mind. What direction it can freely move?
Horizontal.
Therefore, which is become 0? Q3 becomes 0 or Q4 becomes 0? Vertical, it cannot be able to move it. But
Q4 becomes 0.
Q4 0.
yes, good. So therefore, write down. Apply the boundary condition using elimination method. Elimination method. Since node 1 and node 2 are fixed, therefore Q1, Q2, Q7, Q8 equal to 0. Q1 equal to Q2 equal to Q7 equal to Q8 equal to 0. Q1, Q2 equal to Q7 equal to Q8 0. And also at node 2, also at node 2, so all of you writing. Hello.
Sir.
And also at node 2, having roller support, roller support, it can move only in x direction. Can move only in x direction. Can move only in the x direction, but not in the y direction. Can move only in the x direction, but not in the y direction. Therefore, Q4 equal to 0. Therefore, Q4 equal to 0. For Q4 equal to 0, eliminate corresponding rows and columns. Eliminate corresponding rows and columns. Eliminate corresponding rows and columns. See, which are the become 0 now? Which are the become 0?
All is there.
Which other term becomes 0 now? Rows and columns become 0. So Q1 becomes 0 now. First row, first column. Q2 also becomes 0. Second row, second column. Q3 also becomes 0. Third row, third column. Fourth, Q4 equal to 0. Q4. Therefore, fourth row. The fourth row. So third row. I think third row is not equal to 0, no? Hello? Q4 is 0, no? Q4, no? Yes, Q4. Q4. Next, Q5 also 0, no? Therefore, better here. I will can check here now. So here first row, first column, second row, second column. Next fourth row. Fourth row is, where is the fourth row? Yeah, fourth row is here. Fourth row, fourth column. Next, what are the zeros? 7 and 8. No, after that. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes,
7.
sir. 7 and 8.
Seventh row, seventh column. Eighth row, eighth column. This and all become 0. So what is left now? Here 10 power 5 anyway. Here, I think this is 0. 5, 0, 0, Q3. Next, 0, 7.56, 1.92, Q5. Next, 0, 1.92, 8.11, Q6 equal to here 20 into 10 raised to 3, here 0, minus 25 into 10 raised to 3. This much is left. Understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Understood, all of you? Hello?
Yes, sir. Sir. Yes, sir.
See, in this textbook, they eliminated this 3 and 4 also. Actually, 3 and 4 is not there. Keep this in mind. So, write it properly. KQ is equal to F. Write down. You do it yourself. You got it now. Q1 0, Q2 0, Q7 0, Q8 0, and Q4 0. So, do it properly, all of you. Don't strike out this third column as well as fifth column as well as sixth column. Here they shown, they strike it off, eliminate it, but don't eliminate. It's a printed mistake. Okay, understand? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understand the boundary conditions. Roller support is given. Because of that, it can free move in the x direction but not in the y direction now, because it plays horizontally. That's why corresponding Q4 is 0, not Q3 is 0. Don't eliminate Q3, don't eliminate Q5, don't eliminate Q6, and rest of things are you eliminate. Do it. Let me know the answer. Q3, Q5, Q6. Ramchandra, Ramachandra, Ramchandra, Ramchandra. Did my voice is audible for you? Ramchandra, I am line ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೇನೇನಾ ಸುಮಂತ್? ಸುಮಂತ್, ಸುಮಂತ್. Hello.
Sir, please create. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Understand, Ramchandra?
Yes, sir.
Please don't eliminate here third, fourth. Sorry, fourth. I think you. Yeah, fourth you have to eliminate. Don't eliminate third, 5, 6. All of you understood? What I'm saying? It is a print take mistake. Don't eliminate this.
Yes, sir.
Don't eliminate this. Don't eliminate
Sir.
this. Therefore, what is the things are left? This many things are left. Is it over?
Q3 0.04.
This one is written, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what are the things are left? This much is left. Much is left. 5000000 7.56 1.20 1.92 8.11 Q3 Q5 Q6 corresponding force values. What is Q3 Q5 Q6? Calculate and let me know. Someone said Q3 value. Tell me.
0.04. Sir.
Correct. Q4. Sorry, Q5.
Brain.
Girish.
Yes,
Girish.
sir.
Tell me.
Yes, sir.
How much Q3 Q4 Q5
Brain,
Q6?
sir. Yes, sir.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
Q3 all of you got 0.04.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Q5.
Point 008, sir.
Q5, yeah.
Sir.
Yes. Q5 is 0.008, correct. Q6. Q6 is Q6 is minus, you'll get minus 0.032. Correct, no? Hello? Hello? All of you got Q5 as 0.008, Q6 as minus 0.03, and Q3 as 0.04.
Yes, sir.
Girish,
Yes, sir.
got these values? Write it all of you. Q3 0.04, Q6 minus 0.032, Q5 0.008 mm. Over? Hello?
Yes, sir. What, sir?
What is the next step?
Yes.
What is the next step?
Stress.
All of you calculated Q3, Q5, Q6.
Sir.
Okay. Stress sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma 3, sigma 4. Here, that is, you can take a screenshot now, all of you. I'll zoom it 1 minute. See, sigma 1 is E by L1 minus L minus M L M. So, element 1 belongs to what are the nodes?
1 and 2.
1 and 2. Therefore, corresponding nodal displacements are Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Therefore, L1 means how much? You have to see the table.
40, sir.
40, no? L1 is 40, L is 1, M is 0. Therefore, that you have to substitute here. And Q1 is 0, Q2 is 0, Q3 we got 0.04, Q4 is 0. Correct now? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Write down sigma 1. Therefore, you will get as 200 Newton per mm square. 200 Newton per mm square. Similarly, sigma 2. E by L2 minus LM. What is the element 2 belongs to nodes? What is the nodes belongs to element 2?
Node 2 and node 3, sir.
Element 2.
3 and
Node 2 and node 3, no? I think
Yes, sir. It's wrong,
he
sir.
written wrong. Yes, corresponding nodal displacements are Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6. Correct now? Again, L2 is 30, L is think 0, M is minus 1. I think plus 1, M is plus 1. Correct now? All of you calculate sigma 1 is you got 200 or not? Sigma 1, all of you got 200.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, sigma 2. Q3 is 0.04, Q4 is 0, Q5 we got as 0.008, and Q6 as minus 0.032. If you do it that, you'll get sigma 2 is minus 218.47. Sigma 2 we can check minus 218.
Yes, sir.
So it is compression. In bracket to right, compression. Sigma 1 is positive, tension. In bracket to right. Similarly, element 3, sigma 3 by EL3 LM. So element 3 belongs to node 3 and 1. Correct now? 3 and 1, right? Element 3. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, at node 3, having nodal displacement Q5 and 6, at node 1, Q1 and 2. Therefore, you know Q5, Q6, Q1, Q2, Q1, Q2, I think 0. Q5, Q6 are 0.008, 6 are 0.0 minus 0.032. LM, LE3. What is the value of L3? L3 is how much? L3 I think minus 0.8, sorry, 50. L is minus 0.8, M is minus 0.6. Correct now? Take a screenshot of this, all of you. Taken? Hello?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Sigma 3 will get around minus 52.4. Minus 52.4. Similarly, sigma 4 E by L4 minus L minus M L M, and it belongs to node 3 and 4. Therefore, Q5, Q6, Q7, Q8. Corresponding value substitute. Therefore, sigma 4 will get 41.1. Take a screenshot of this, all of you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Taken? All of you?
Yes, sir.
All of you taken?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next step is reaction. So you see here
Yes, sir.
in reaction figure, at node 1, R1 will be present, R2 is present because both are fixed. Therefore, both side constrained. But comes to node 2, only vertical displacement is constrained, whereas horizontal displacement is free. Therefore, R3 become how much? R3 become how much? It can free move in the x direction. Therefore, R3 become how much? Hello? See, in node 1, both side is constrained. X, y direction, it cannot be moved. But in the here, node 2, it can move in a x direction. Therefore, R3 become how much?
0. Yes, sir.
R4 will be not equal to 0 because it constrained. Similarly, at node 5, node 3, it can, here there is no supports. Therefore, R5, R6 are become 0. And at node 4, again it is fixed. Therefore, R7, R8, it will be present. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
And finally, reactions. R is equal to KQ minus F. R matrix, R1, R2 up to R8. K matrix you know. Q matrix you know. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6. You know that values substituted. Similarly, F matrix, F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, up to F6. You know the corresponding value substitute. Then one multiply these two matrix first. Then one by one. You have to be calculate. So therefore, finally reactions will get this much. You can take the screenshot finally. You can take the screenshot of this.
Yes, sir.
All of you taken the screenshot?
Yes, sir.
See, only some rare cases they given the 4 elements. Usually they will not give because it takes more time. But if you done one problem like this, no, in any problem in the trusses you can easily deal with because this problem itself it consists of different support, more number of elements. Therefore, it is very familiar. Become clear. Is it clear?
Sir.
Okay, one more problem I will give. show it tomorrow. That homework problem is this one. All of you take this homework problem, screenshot.
Okay, sir.
Taken.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, same type problem. What is the difference? What is the difference?
Three elements.
Huh?
3 elements.
How many elements are here? How many bars are here?
4.
2.
It is
Two.
only 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, therefore problem become very easy, no? Only 2 elements. 2 elements means 2 stiffness matrix. You'll get K1, K2. Therefore, 2 2s how much? How many degree of freedom?
4.
4. 4
4,
cross
sir.
4. So, 4 cross 4 you'll get. So, the size of the matrix you'll get 4 cross 4. That's all. Final. Easy, no? Hello?
Okay, sir.
Take down the answers. Q1. See, and also in elimination approach, see, since here, how it become very easy, no? See here. What is the boundary conditions here? Node 1 is completely here, node 1. Is node 1 is at what direction it can be moved? Node 1, what direction it can be moved?
Exact.
Therefore, Q2 become how much? Q2 become what? Q1 is not equal to 0, but here Q2 become how much?
0, sir.
0. Q3 in comes here. Q3, Q4 become how much? At node 2, Q3, Q4 become how much?
0, sir.
0. Because completely fixed. What about here? Node 3, Q5, Q6 become how much?
0, fixed.
0. So therefore, if you do the apply the elimination approach, no, it become very easy to do it because only one equation you get. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
And one more thing, very important. Can you tell me what is that force sign convention here? Minus or plus? Minus or plus?
Sir, minus.
Minus, sir.
Yes. Minus. Minus. That is you have to be careful. Therefore, answer is Q1 is minus 20.9 or 21. Q1 is minus 21. Sigma 1 is minus 705. Sigma 1 is minus 705.4 Newton per mm square. Sigma 2 is 1102.3. 1102.3 Newton per mm square minus. And reactions are R10, R2 253.97, 253.97, R3 338.62 kilonewton. Everything in kilonewton, okay? 338.62 kilonewton. R4 minus 253.97 kilonewton. R5 661.38 kilonewton. 661.38 kiloton. R6 it is 0. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
See, we done 8 cross 8 only. Now it become very easy to do it for you. Understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? Any doubts?
Yes, sir.
See here one more in this problem. Here one more roller support is given in the vertical. What may be the changes here? Can you tell me compared to previous problem? It is completely fixed here.
Sir,
Here roller. Here roller. Can you tell me what is the changes now? Boundary condition.
sir, y-axis ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes. Good. In x-axis it cannot be moved. No. Can you tell me? Q1 is 0. It is fixed here. Q1 is 0 or not?
0 sir, fixed.
Q2.
0 sir.
What about here? Q3. Q3 is 0 or not?
No sir.
Agree all of
Yes,
you?
sir.
Agree? Good. Q4.
0 sir.
Good. Because it cannot be moved in a y direction. Comes here. Q5. Q5.
Sir, 0.
Hello?
0 sir.
0, sir.
Why it is 0 Q5?
Sir, because it can't move now sir.
It cannot be moved in a which direction?
X direction.
X direction. What about Q6?
Sir, not equal to 0.
Yes. Good. That's all the changes. Perfect. All of you clear this boundary condition?
Sir,
So tomorrow we'll solve this problem. Last problem. You show it tomorrow. First homework problem. All of you should switch on your camera and you have to show it. Okay.
okay sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Fine.